Are you in stitches? Are you surging forward? What you doing there? Taking your measurements? Basting away? Are you on the mend? Just hanging by a thread, huh? Hey Mogi, what are you doing to my chair? You love sitting in here, don't you? Of course. Sheridan and Chippendale furniture suits you, Micmac. Oh, my aristocratic boy. Hmm? Oops, 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 don't fall down. Hey. Hey, Mogi. You don't go up on tables, do you? Nope. Ever since Micmac disappeared for 8 months, he's always liked to sit high. I think that's how he survived. Never, ever stop putting posters up and putting ads in the paper. Because I found Micmac again after 8.5 months. Okay, Miki? Do you have anything else to say, Micmac? Hmm? No, now you're quiet. Okay, I'm going to go for a run. Miki, say goodnight. Okay? I'm going to put you on the treadmill. You're going to go running with me? No. You sit here and watch those sewing machines. Make sure nobody comes in and steals them. Okay? Micmac? Okay? Miki.
Oh, you're so serious.